everybody, and hello YouTubers. It's me again, Victoria, making another unboxing of something. And today's episode, I'll be making um, unboxing, review, and fake comparison of DualShock 3 wireless controller. It says here it's Sony Computer Entertainment Incorporated, 6-axis. You see the Sony PS3 or PS sign here. And I bought this at Toy Kingdom. Original retail price is 2,400 pesos, and now it's 2,000 pesos. So I think it's a big difference. I think 400 pesos is a big difference for your savings, and I think you can also buy another controller for that. We have a friend or brother and here also it says Bluetooth and Sony. Yeah. So at the back of here, it's like a manual, but I don't know what it is. Is it a manual or safety procedures? And I really don't like to read this things. I think it's useless, but for the sake of you people, I will read, dictate, and as you know, read. I think you can't really see it really well, so I will just dictate it for you. Compatible PS3 system software version 2.50 or later. I think it's a part. System software version 2.50 or later, compatible with PS3 system. Okay, the system software update is required. This is important also. If your system uses an earlier version. Okay, so I think you need to update. So if you use jailbreak, I'm sorry, I think you won't be able to use one of these controllers. So here, a USB cable is not included. To connect or charge the controller, use the USB cable A mini B type supplied with a PS3 system. So if you buy a PS3, there is already a controller or a you call that, and wire that is already supplied with it. So here, let's go to the next one. When disposing of the wireless controller, this product includes lithium-ion rechargeable battery. For details on the disposal method of the controller and battery, refer to the instructions for the PSP system. So if you buy a PSP, actually, you will have the instructions. So I'm sorry I can't show you the instruction for the PS3 because I lost it, and I lost most of the accessories from my PSP except for the controller. Yeah. Here, the vibration action when playing PlayStation or PlayStation 2. Not wrong with this. It's actually stated here, PlayStation 2. Format software on the PS3 system may be different from when playing on a PlayStation system or PlayStation 2 system. I can't understand it. I can't. I'm confused. Okay, so we're done with this. So, cutter, Shua, can you please open this? Okay. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Okay, here, please. So here, some parts broken, torn. That's alright. So yeah, I think we're done with this manual. I dictated everything to you. So I recommend you to buy this so you can also read it by yourself. I haven't dictated some over here, so actually I won't dictate it. Where plastic. Oh yes. Here is the carton. it's supposed to look like this. You base on a plain mode. See? That. So, and then with this also, here's the controller. Here it is. The most awaiting part. So here, for you people that wants to keep the box safe, so you could still have the warranty if it's broken. I recommend you people to don't just pull it out. I recommend you to just take this part and do that and take the whole controller out. See, easy, isn't broken. So here, controller. Same with the controller that you have. Still the same. I don't think if this is the new version because it's totally different than the one that I had last year. Yeah, it's totally different and it's not as rough as you think, but I think this is better. I don't think I think this is the new or old one. I don't know. It's just not the same. See here, there's so many writings at the back. It says 10, compatible with IDA standards DB102-988. Sony Computer Entertainment Inc. Sony. With a 10 with 10 here in the arrow. I see here my old one actually doesn't have the 10 here with the arrow. See, it's clear, totally clear. See, it's old. So see, it's rough, and over here it's very smooth. I don't expect something that's very smooth here. Okay, so that's it. And here's the select and start. So I'm sorry, but I can't show you how to on this because I can't turn it on. It's still doesn't have battery. So see, I'm trying. Okay. So it doesn't really work. I didn't break it. Just pushed it a little bit, but I know it should work. So here, it states here the first player, second player, third player, and fourth player. See, I will just show you how to do this. Okay, see, lights. But it won't actually light up in the first, second, third, fourth player because my PS3 system or my PS3 is turned off. So yeah, so let's move on with the fake and original comparison. So I didn't dictate that we have an original comparison, old and new. So let's just go with the fake original. So here, as you can see, the buttons here are higher. It's higher. See, it's higher. Here it's lower. I can prove this that my brand new one is not fake. It's the same with the old one that I bought with the PS3 system. So I mean PS3, yeah, PS3. So see, so same. So in here in the fake, in the L2 and R2 buttons, it has like a hump over here. Sometimes it doesn't work. If you're playing Uncharted, you're gonna throw a grenade, and your enemy just got away. So you're not lucky. You just wasted one of your grenades. So I think that's stupid. Okay. So let's move on with this. It's smooth, no humps, and as you see, lights are sometimes broken. Second player doesn't work. If you buy this, I think you will only waste money because For me, this only lasts. This only lasted 5 days, 1 week. Yeah, and it doesn't work already. So yeah, and here in the analogs, the other one's smaller, the other is bigger. So I think that's one sign of a fake controller. And as you see at the back, it has this sticker. Thinks that this for fake. And here, there's supposed to be nothing this many at the back. It says made in China. It says here, made in China also. But I think this is worse. If you only have like 500 pesos or 1,000 pesos in your pocket, like, you should buy this. Just for the sake of you to play 2 players. And see here, the analog, yeah, is easily taken off, as you see. And at the original one, doesn't do that. See, doesn't wear off. I like this one's. It wears off. See, easily. I just took it off. So, yeah, I'll just put it back later, so won't waste time. Okay. So, I think that's all for it, for the 3 topics that I made. So I hope this helps you. If you need more information, just put in the comments below. And yeah, subscribe and like. For more videos, please watch on my channel. So yeah, goodbye. And yeah.
The End, made by Nick Soria, cameraman Akira
Kurosawa. Okay, so that's it for that's all for it for the controllers. So goodbye and have a nice day.